What's going on? Welcome to our channel, Naughty Life. My name is Alex and my wife Jill and I do fishing and boating videos, everything to do on the water here in Southwest Florida. And today we're making a quick video tutorial on how to tie the clinch knot. Now, the clinch knot is one of the easiest beginner fishing knots that you can tie. It's super versatile. It allows you to quickly interchange between hooks, lures, all different types of fishing. Just a very versatile, easy knot to learn how to tie. Now, for demonstration purposes only, we're going to be using oversized hooks as well as 80-pound high-vis braid, just so that you can see how we're tying these knots. But in most saltwater applications, you're always going to be using some type of mono or fluorocarbon leader line. If you're interested in learning about leader lines and when and how to use them, go ahead and click the link down in the description box. We'll put our full beginner fishing knot video. We went through and did a breakdown of leader line in the start of that presentation. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out a ton. And with that, let's get into tying the clinch knot.
All you're gonna do is you're gonna take your line, you're gonna feed it through the eye of the hook or the lure. You're gonna take your tag end, you're going to wrap it around your main line. Now, if you're using a heavier leader, I'd say over 15 pounds, you really only need to wrap this about 4 to 6 times. If you're using a lighter line, you can wrap it anywhere from 8 to 10 times. So we're just gonna wrap this around 5 times. So you can see here, you've got the line wrapped. And you'll notice that you've now created this loop here by the eye of the hook. All you're going to do then is take your tag end, come through that loop that was created by the eye of the hook, and then pull down. And if you see here, you're going to get that nice clinch down straight to the eye of the hook. From there, you just need to clip your tag end and you are ready to fish. This will suffice if you're doing some light fishing, maybe going after some bait. It'll hold really well. Is a perfect beginner knot, one to keep in your back pocket if you're just trying to switch out lures or hooks really, really quickly.
All right, y'all, well, we hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please consider giving us a like as well as subscribing. Again, it's totally free for you to do. It helps us reach a wider audience. And we've got lots of cool stuff coming up. We've got more fishing tips, tricks, knot videos, on the water content, subscriber giveaways, just a ton of cool stuff that is coming down the pipeline. So if you'd like to be a part of it, we hope you'll subscribe. With that being said, life's short, live naughty. We'll catch you in the next one.